Hey team, in this video we will be analyzing the market for gold and crude oil for 21 and 22 August. And if you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing as I upload the daily follow-up for gold and crude oil and the weekly too. Now coming on the charts for the gold, we are currently on an 4-hourly chart. Here we have analyzed this as this descending triangle being formed. Here was a opportunity to go short if we see a break through this support trend line as explained in my previous video, and there was an opportunity to go long if we see a break through this resistance zone which you can see on your screens. Now coming here, we haven't seen a break through upwards or a breakthrough downwards. We can see that the market is currently trading sidewards and is in a range bound territory, which is from some around, let me highlight that range. This is the resistance, which is some around 1956, and this would be the support, which is some around 1928. Now we can see that the market is trading in a range, and now what we can expect is that we can see a breakthrough upwards or in downwards. Same scenario as explained here. Let me delete my drawings. We haven't seen any significant fundamental news moving the market for the gold. So what we would be trading is on the technical perspective purely. If we see a break through this resistance zone, we will go for a long opportunity. Now if we see a break through this resistance zone, we would be going for a long opportunities on and pull back towards the resistance, turning into an support. Thus we would take in long position some around 1935 with a take profit of recent highs, which is some around 1956, with our stop losses just placed below the support trend line, which is some around 1916. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1:1. Keep in mind, we would only and only take long position if we see a break through this resistance zone. We will go for a long position on a pullback. Now coming on the bearish scenario, if we see a breakdown from this support trend line, we would wait until the market break this support trend line, which is some around 1916 till 1910. Thus, once the market closed below the 1910, we would trigger a sale position on and pull back towards the support, which would be some around 1920 till 1915. We will go for a sale position some around here with our stop losses just placed above the resistance zone, which is some around 1939, with our take profit of recent lows, which would be some around 1901. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1:1. Now coming on the crude oil, here we have given an opportunity to go short some around here, and we have seen a parabolic move on a bearish note. Then again we see a recovery on a bullish note. Then we can see that the market wasn't showing any significant reversal signs. However, here some around after testing the resistance, which is some around $42.87, we can see a bearish momentum entering in the market, and we can see that here the market has nicely break through this support trend line. Now what a trader should do is that we have seen a breakthrough from the support trend line. Now what we can wait is market for potentially retest this support zone turning into a resistance. The retest could be in a range of some around $42.69 to some around $42.56. Thus this will give a great opportunity to go short On the crude oil, some around in range of some around $42.59, some around here, with our stop losses just placed above the support, above the resistance level, which would be some around $43.07, with our take profit of this support zone. Here we can see, let me first highlight this support zone. This is the major support zone, as here we have seen the market retesting various times, some around here till here, some around $41.77 till some around $41.70. This zone has been made. Some around here we have seen a breakthrough, again market taking support, higher high move, testing the resistance, again market testing the support, then again an higher high move, testing the resistance, again in lower low move, testing the support, then in an higher high move. Thus what we can expect by the market is potentially a reversal, and we can take in short position some around $42.49 with our take profit of this support zone some around $41.86 with our stop loss placed some around $43.0. If you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing and if you like the video, do like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.